Hi boys and girls, today for problem solving you are working on this traveling to football games page. It says, Gavin and Layla compare how far they traveled to watch their favorite football teams. Gavin lives in Seattle, Washington. Gavin traveled to Charlotte, North Carolina to watch the Seattle Seahawks play the Carolina Panthers. Gavin says he traveled 2,283 miles. Layla lives in Jacksonville, Florida. Layla traveled to Los Angeles, California to watch the Jacksonville Jaguars play the Oakland Raiders. Layla says she traveled 2,151 miles. Gavin and Layla organized their distance in miles on a paper. Then they used symbols to show who traveled the most miles. What could Gavin and Layla have written on their paper? Show all of your mathematical thinking. Boys and girls, please remember that sometimes it helps to highlight information that you find in the passage that is helpful for the actual question that you were asked to solve. It is also important to underline or highlight the question so that you know exactly what you're looking to do within the problem. Also, remember that it says show all of your mathematical thinking. So writing just one symbol on the paper is not enough. I need to know what is going on in your brain to know how you got your answer and why that proof that you know that you're right. When you're finished, make sure you put your name on your paper and turn it in to the math tray.